Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Arnold rendering engine manually. Let's go to our settings, render settings. As you can see, our Arnold is not enabled, so we are going to enable it manually. Go to Windows, Settings and Preference, Plugin Manager, scroll down to the bottom. You will see mtoa.mml. Enable it. As you can see, our Arnold is enabled, and also click on auto load. So refresh and close. So let's go to our render settings. As you can see, our Arnold renderer is enabled. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was very helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.